Wandering woman ka talaga dyan, be. Eksena. Who's going to New York?
Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York.
It's Vivi. Struggling with her luggage. Chill guy. This is it! Yes. A big ass luggage. Going to Canada luggage. This one too. Ma'am, isa nga po order ng fries. Jollibee chicken joy. Print boarding pass.
In compliance with the state of the Clean Indoor Directive, it's in
Slay.
Are you comfortable?
Are you comfortable?
Hi guys, welcome to Jacksonville International Airport. We're here right now. And we're
my
literally
brother
are
is a caster.
Filipinos because we're here 3 hours early. Because our flight is at 7 a.m.
We're so scared to miss our flight.
Yeah. So we're here 3 hours early.
Ano naman po masasabi mo na nakita mo na ang iyong the one?
Saan?
Nasa likod mo.
Ano, hindi niya pa alam, pero magpapakasal kami bukas.
Kulditin?
Sa lahat ng,
Guys, kulditin ko nga. Kalabitin ko tapos takbo ako.
sa lahat ng nagka-afam, ako mauuna.
Kalibitin ko kaya tapos halos alis ako.
Ayaw yung
Hindi kasi ako nakapagdaya. Hindi nakapagdaya. Napapagod na ako maglakad. Tayo ay.
It's been waiting for you. Welcome to me. Flow.
Ano ba? Pabalik. Pabalik,
Pabalik, Charles.
nga lang.
1,
2, 3, go. Hindi kayo masaya. Tapos masaya kayo.
24 hours na kaming gising.
24 hours
Hindi
away.
pabikit ka.
Straight from
Oh,
work.
23 minutes. 23 hours pa.
Fresh lang ah.
Right?
Ano po feeling ng naka-first class?
Ayun, we have a lot of leg room.
Leg room?
Yeah.
Ilan ba legs mo?
5.
5. Guys, until now, ang sakit pa rin ng tenga ko. My left
Because
ear.
Good morning in the terminal. This serves as a gate change.
welcome to New York. Welcome to New York.
Ako din. Welcome to
Actually, go. One more. Welcome.
Ang OA.
Go. Welcome to New
So OA. Sir, what song are you listening to?
I'm listening.
Ang lamig na, guys. Very tourista kami. Naka-scarf pa kami dito. Guys, we already arrived in our hotel.
May washroom towels?
Outfit checked.
Don't use! Share, what share?
Mga muchacha.
What shell?
What will they use?
You can ask from this.
What is this? Another room.
Then ask for them.
The living room. Mirror. And our room. With bathtub. Ay, grabe talaga asa ng araw. Pakihanap.
Where's the sun?
Where's the sun, bro?
Masyadong bright.
Okay, let's go. Guys, say hi. This is so nice.
What if you just stop?
Hindi sila umalis.
I hope they start biting you. Yes. Catch it.
Hoy! 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 Okay, so... Hoy, pakawalan mo! Baka bawal! Wow! Guys, we saw the Rockefeller tree in New York City. It's still here! Merry Christmas! So nice, guys. Ang gandang laki. That's a real tree.
Bastos.
That's Charles taking his photo. Tree! Daming lakad, puro lakad. Oh, that's a cathedral. This is the St. Patrick's Cathedral. Lucky! Grabe ang architecture. So nice. So pretty. Look at that. Welcome to New York! Pang Korea ba yung damit ko? Grabe naman kayo. Baka manifesting. Korea tayo.
Baka. Soon. Hala, kailan ba yan? Bonggang ganda. Makabili nga na ito. Send link. Hi!
One Vanderbilt will forever be ingrained in the fabric of New York City. This building will bound
to Olympus.
Olympus.
Guys, look.
Nasali naman ako dyan.
Balik ka dito. Wala na. Wow! Oh my God! Ganda, puro glass. Uy, nakaka-fresh. Ang fresh. Grabe.
That side also.
Look at that.
That's not the...
Ganda, putik. Aray, yung camera ko naman. Grabe tong subway ng New York, nakakabobo. Kanina nga naiwan pa ako eh. Sabi yung Marimar. It's not for everyone, guys. You have to be, ano na yun, mabilis mong ma-adapt. That's the train. Now we're gonna be riding, going back to our hotel.
Attention, we are running from 42nd Street to Brooklyn Bridge. So customer entry at 42nd Street, running local from 42nd to Brooklyn Bridge.
Day 2!
Why? It's a free country.
Guys, second day. This is my outfit. Kung nagtataka po kayo kung hindi ako lalamigin dyan, that is warmer. Double warmer po yan. And this is Charles. We're ready to take the subway again with this outfit. Nilalapitan kami ng mga buang.
Tara na nga tayo sa baba.
So, dapat gigising kami ng 5:30 a.m. para makatch namin yung sunrise sa Brooklyn Bridge. Hinihinga na naman ako! Kaso,
Nagising sila ng 8 a.m.
nagising kami ng 8. So,
Sunset na lang.
sunset na lang kami later. So, diretso na tayo sa 9/11, tas Statue Ferry.
Yeah.
Tas we're gonna go back again.
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna go downstairs para i-check yung weather. Kung masilipan ako, okay lang. Kasi hindi naman nila ako kakilala. At
Tatafam naman
least,
yung mga nandito.
baliw na afam. Buang na afam. Di naman niya maaalala kung anong itsura ng singit ko. Marami na siyang singit na nakita. Kaya, my singit doesn't matter anymore. Okay.
Dito na tayo mainit.
Dito na lang kami. Carry lang.
Dito tayo mag-picture
Sakto
sama.
na. Hindi naman na super lamig. Siguro kung kanina tayo lumabas, sobrang lamig, no? Ito yung front ng hotel namin, guys. Diba? Parang Manila lang. Yan, no? Ginagawa. Ayan, magpipicture na kami. Saan mo gusto magpicture?
Remote ni Baba Chahangar! Saluhin pa mo kay Marong kaya pala yan!
Kahit saan mapunta, Diyos ko, galing kanal.
So hi guys, we're here in Canal Street.
Parang doon ka bagay, Charles. Ay, sorry po. Libre mo pala tong
Guys,
trip na to.
at least I'm here in New York. My attitude is in New York. At least my attitude is very fancy. No, my place... What? My attitude, my place...
Donut for breakfast. Donut for breakfast. Very Asian. May gong siya, oh, pero it's still closed. We're gonna order quick break. So, dito may mga combo na sila. Yung quick break is 2 donuts. Tapos may 1 small coffee na siya. Tapos meron din yung 2 minis. Tapos may milk or juice. Tapos meron na yung a certain dozen. Basta may mga combo-combo na sila dito. Kaya ang ganda. Padalang kaping yun. ASMR. Panoorin niyo ako kumain. Sabi ko panoorin niyo kumain. Bakit ba ako nakikiagaw ng camera? May DJI naman ako. Uy. Guys, ang goal natin, kumain ng Krispy Kreme sa iba't ibang parte ng lugar. Akala mo naman talaga.
I like black like you.
Gusto ko yung ganito, hindi kita yung double chin ko. Alam niyo yun? Like, reasonable na malaki yung damit ko. Hindi halata yung taba. Look at that! This is the Oculus. Ah! The Oculus. Grabe. Grabe. Yan sila guys sa likod. Picture. Wow. Sobrang ganda. Grabe. Tingnan nyo naman. Grabe sa personal, nakakalula. Lakad. Wandering woman ka talaga dyan, be. Exen. Play na yan. Oops, layo na. Go. Lakad. Perfect. This is the 9/11 Memorial Center.
Sabi na nating picture.
In-game na naman sila. Ang ginagawa ko nga kagabi, namimili na ako eh. Tapos dinedelete ko kaagad.
Timur.
Day 2! We're
Paano
gonna
pag
go
hindi
to...
nakakapagsalita yung best friend mo? Tapos yung vlog puro ganito
Bakit
lang.
kayo best friend?
Ay.
Charing. Day 2, pupunta na kami ng Statue of Liberty. Ang ingay pala namin, guys. Diyos ko, nakatingin sa akin yung mga tao. Sorry na, Pilipino kasi eh.
Pagod kasi sila.
Pag Pilipino nakasigaw lagi. Dito kasi ang hina nila magsalita. Ganito lang sila magsalita dito.
Tapos pag nagkakantuan sila, ganito lang.
Ayun.
Alam mo ba siya, guys, kanina may pinuntan.
Oo.
Pag Pilipino, ganito.
Uy, tripod!
Well, buti di ako naiwan sa train. Buti di ako naiwan sa train. Guys, okay pa ba kayo dyan? Bye.
Hindi nagsasalita yung best friend.
Ayun yung mafia namin. Oh. Train.
Agaw.
O, kala ko ba-vlog natin lahat, pero sa Shama lang.
Di mag-con ka din, mag-eksena ka din. O, ako din. Asan yung eksena ko? Hawakan mo din. Vlog natin. Vlog natin lahat yan. Alam mo, wait lang.
Tumunog yung kay Shama.
This is statue of the State Island Ferry. Lamig! Ito naman be o helicopters. Did you drop something, ma'am? Patakot sila mag-approach. Ma'am, we work here, blah, blah, blah. Kaya akala ko talaga scammer sila. Kainis. Kitchen. This is the hardest part. Mamili ng bibilhin. Okay. Bili na tayo.
See.
How much is it?
Stop at number 11.
Ayan, nakasakay na kami. Nakasakay na kami, guys. Nasa con kami. Bus na second floor. Oh, pakita kayo, guys. Hello, Ezra, Elhe. Charles, look in the camera. This is Spiritual. Charles, can you tap Charles? Camera, look in the camera. Okay, ayaw nyo, diwag. Tayo na lang siya, ma.
We're on top of the bus.
Okay, we're gonna get ready. Tapos, sasabihin namin kung anong experience namin dito, guys. Ang daming kailangang i-share. Hindi pwedeng magpaloko dito. Pag bobo ka, huwag ka na pumunta dito.
Dapat nga, wala ako dito eh. Baba ako eh.
Ako nga rin, hindi ko alam ginagawa ko, gasyo.
Meron silang free earphones. Red, I don't know what it does.
May music siya, Ben.
Oh, really?
There's a
Ah.
music. Rar! Sabi sa'yo, lahat lang video mo meron ako. Yan, kinakabit
My
yan.
hair is a mess.
Pang-kwan, yung music niya pang France.
Ay, bakit friends?
Yung mga music. Wow. Babe, ba't parang magkamukha tayo dito?
Magganon nga tayo every day. Yung ganon. Dito sa radio. Gawan mo na din kami ng sariling vlog namin.
Grabe naman, hinaan nga natin. Ang lakas naman ng ano na to, music na to. Hinaan natin yung volume. Ayan. Now we're ready. Look at our background.
Pinaalis mo yung music ko. Kamay sa puso. May araw.
Sabi ang ginagawa ng shades na taste.
Pag wala na yung araw.
We got scammed!
Not here. We scam people.
And,
Go under the bridge. There was no